What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we're gonna be doing things a little differently in Dylan's Home Espresso Bar. And as you can see, I got all my tools. I'm ready to go, all of them. I don't even need half of these, but we're ready to go just in case we do need them. So if you guys are wondering what we are doing today, we are gonna be making protein pancakes with some espresso. And today we are going to be using Good Brothers Coffee. Shout out to Good Brothers Coffee. Thank you so much for sending me some beans to try. And definitely, if you guys are interested in buying any kind of fresh whole bean coffee, go give Good Brothers Coffee a try. Use code Dylan at checkout and save yourself 20%. So after this video is done and the pancakes are made with the shots of espresso, I am going to go ahead and leave the nutrition facts down below, and also I'm going to display them on the screen at the very end. So without further ado, you think we should go make them?
Yeah.
All right. So without further ado, we're going to roll the intro. What's up, guys? We are here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar and Dylan and Brittany's Home Kitchen, and we are going to be making all of you at home some delicious espresso pancakes. So, without further ado, let's get to making these pancakes, mixing the ingredients, and showing you guys a great recipe for all you caffeine lovers out there. Stay caffeinated, my friends.
That's right.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we just put all the ingredients into the blender, but we were missing one key component, and that component is some Good Brothers coffee. We are going to be dialing in our shot of espresso, and then we'll see you back right in the kitchen. Let's go. All right, we just finished pulling our beautiful shot of espresso. What do you say? Pretty beautiful?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
All right, so now we will catch you back in the kitchen so we can mix this with the rest of our ingredients.
Mix it on up.
Now that we just finished blending all the ingredients together, get a nice little texture there. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Smells good. How's it smell?
Yeah, it smells good.
Smells really good. We're gonna go ahead and we have our skillet already warming up. We're gonna go ahead and spray some olive oil on it and we're gonna get to pouring our pancakes. Let's go!
Woo.
Alright guys, just finished up those delicious espresso pancakes. Not only do you get caffeinated from the espresso, but you get fulfilled in the morning with delicious food. So, we're going to give you a taste test back at home. I made a special pancake, or pancakes, with a special ingredient for my wife because she loves chocolate. So we put in some M&Ms. So now we are both going to give you guys a taste test and let you guys know how delicious or not delicious these espresso pancakes truly are. So I use sugar-free syrup because I don't like to have as much sugar in my diet. So let's go ahead and pour some of that over these bad boys. Oh yeah. You want some?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now, the official taste test of these protein / espresso pancakes. Now, I do have to cook them a little bit more with the protein, so it's gonna look burnt, but they're not, I promise. However, you can see how fluffy they are. Pretty fluffy. But if you guys want to make these pancakes at home, protein is not required. I just like the taste, and it's a lot more beneficial for me when I go to the gym. Cheers. 10 out of 10. 100%. That is delicious.
Yeah, that's good.
Wow. Oh, I want to try yours. I want to try it with some. Oh yeah, there's an M&M right there. Oh gosh.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my gosh. Definitely, if you guys are interested in espresso pancakes, give this a try. It is absolutely delicious. I'm definitely gonna be making these again. You guys are gonna be seeing these quite often. You know, oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching. The nutrition facts are gonna be right there. However, I really appreciate all of you guys. I thank you guys all for the love and support. Truly, truly am thankful for each and every one of you. If you guys can hit that like and subscribe down below, I would truly appreciate it, and it helps me make more content like this for you. I have a lot of surprises coming on this channel, and I think you guys should stick around to find out what they are. So as always, Dylan with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and my lovely wife, Brittany, Barista Brittany.
Barista.
Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week.
Peace.